arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are monotone paint application, touring suspension, black top package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss black rear fascia applique black headlamp bezels gloss black grille gloss black exterior mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, quick order package 28A included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, granite pearl coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT included, touring suspension 3.16 axle ratio dual bright exhaust tips engine oil cooler flex fuel vehicle and Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included.